Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua niahiukite kuhoreria ndung'amano ya Kiuteti iria ironeka gwithegea thiini wa ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza kurumirira miario ya mwandiki munene wa kiama kia UDA Cleophas Malala akiuga no nginya ciama ciothe iria ciumbite Kenya Kwanza ikuje na kuuba kiama kimwe ya Kiuteti.
We don't want to coerce anybody to fold up. That is not necessary. He can make an invitation for people to fold up and join UDA. They don't have to. And we are happy the way we are in Kenya Kwanza. We are happy with the existing framework. But if along the way the constituent parties consider it desirable to fold up and join UDA, so be it.
Kuringana na Malala uria ukoretwo muhari wa mbere kwendia kiama kia UDA kurumirira kwa murugu wake ta mwandiki munene wa kiama giki gutiagiriire atongoria nene thirikari-ini ya gikiro kia maminista na maspika bunge gukorwo kiama ngurani na kia mutongoria wa bururi noguo akahinyiriria bata wa ciama ici gukunjwo na kuingira kiama-ini kia UDA.
I shall be having a consultative agenda with our partners so that they can merge into the UDA party and form one big party.
We want UDA to remain the single largest party in the country for years to come, just like the ANC party of South Africa.
Malala is a very energetic young leader, and I really have a lot of time for him. When President William Ruto and I and our National Executive Council decided to pick him to be the Secretary General of UDA, is because we really appreciated his qualities, his energy, his passion and vigor. And that is what we need for a party.
Udoyo na kuri uguo ni utungitio regani munene kuma imwe cia ciama iria ciumbite ngwataniro ino ya Kenya Kwanza ta ANC, Ford Kenya na ingi iria ciumiritie kuga matigwitikira gukunja ciama ciao cia Kiuteti niguo kuingira kiama kingi. Undu uria Rigathi ahurite njeki akiuga andu othe mari na wiyathi wa guikara ciama ciao cia Kiuteti.
If they want to remain independent within the Kenya Kwanza framework, so be it. Okay. So it was just Malala's way of bringing energy into the party. And the president and I have told him to proceed, to market the party, to make it very vigorous, to make it very, very active. But we don't want to coerce anybody. Anybody, if ANC wants to come and fold up, fair enough. If they don't want, fair enough.
Rigathi aritio hindi ya gikaro na andiki a mohoro muciini gwake mwena wa Karen guku Nairobi kuria ningi ahinyiriirie kioneki giake na mutongoria wa bururi Daktari Iria gutigirira ni marehe atongoria othe hamwe ari ta njira ya kunyitithania muingi wa bururi. Ngirivotera Kameme TV, Jitego Mora, Wagunya.